Everybody, welcome back to another grilling video, and today my daughter and I are outside doing some breakfast.
I'm hungry. So today we're gonna do something a little, I don't even know.
Experimental?
Yeah. We're gonna take a biscuit, and we're gonna take some sausage, and we're gonna take an egg, and then we're gonna put another biscuit on top of it, and we're gonna mush it together, and it's like a breakfast sandwich and a biscuit.
But we got to give it a fancier name. We'll call it a Blackstone Griddle breakfast hand pie, or a breakfast empanada.
Yeah.
Or a breakfast Jamaican patty.
Yeah, a breakfast Sammy.
Yeah. There you go.
It's a simple Whitney term.
All right, so this is going to be pretty easy. We're going to start with just cooking up our eggs and our sausage, because these are going to be filled with sausage, egg, and cheese, right?
Yes.
All right. So the first thing we're going to do is just cook those items up real nice and easy. Let's prep it.
Let's go.
All right. We're not making a whole lot of these since it's an experiment. We'll start with just 3 eggs.
Ah, shit. It's not working today.
Well, normally you make them long ways, don't you?
No, I don't really do it this way. This one will go smoother.
Much better.
Hiya!
Any shells in there?
No, I got them out.
All right, whisk away, chica.
Whisk, whisk, whisk.
All right, while you're whisking those, I'll get the griddle going.
Perfect.
All right, we'll get this fired up. And keep them fairly low, maybe the 6:37 o'clock position on the burners.
So I would just like to point out, first of all, this cool little cup that I bought him for Father's Day.
I like that cup, my bonus dad cup.
Yeah. What's it say? Happy Father's Day from the kid you inherited when you evidently inherited when you decided to shack up with my mom. Now that the griddle is warmed, we've greased it like Paula Deen was here with all kinds of butter. We're gonna throw our eggs on here. Need like a little self-leveling thing out here.
Over here. Yeah, right here. Hey, do me a favor. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more like it, subscribe to the channel and click on that little bell notification so you get notified of new videos. Thanks.
All right, we're just getting these nice and softly done. We're going to leave them fairly loose, since we're going to end up packing these into a pocket and then cooking them a little bit more. You want to season these up, Whit?
Yeah, I do now.
Those are probably cooked up enough. They're still a little loose, but we'll end up heating a little bit more inside of the pockets. All right, we'll set these guys aside.
All right, so now we're gonna throw the sausage on, but first we're gonna oil up a little bit here. We're just gonna use pre-made patties, because this is what we had, and I woke up hungry, so. Tree?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna attempt to flip these left-handed since I'm right-handed. Oh, God. Ugh. This is awkward.
All right, let's start chopping them up so we can put them in the little thing. You want to use the little scraper down below?
At this point, we're going to go ahead and start chopping them up so we can get them in our Sammys.
All right, let's just go ahead and put those in a bowl for assembly. We'll just set these aside while we start to prep the biscuits to make the pockets.
Oh, come on. Really?
All right, so with our can of biscuits exploding, we now have them ready to go. We're just gonna go ahead and roll them out fairly thin. What we're trying to do is we're trying to make about a 5 or 6 inch circle. We'll put our toppings in it, put another one on top, pinch the sides, and then we'll see if we can go ahead and cook them up on the Blackstone. So why don't you start by rolling out the first one, let's see what happens. And I have 2 pieces of parchment paper there if it's helpful. I wonder if we just push it out with our hands and not even have to roll it out, you think?
Oh. Oh, that's gonna work better. Ugh, sucker's heavy.
All right, let's give off toppings here. All right, we'll put a little bit of cheese on that.
I don't know what a little bit is in your life, but a lot of it is better in my life.
Let's try the first one, see if they even stay together.
Your thumbs, you go really, 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 really. That part's really thick. That's gonna be perfect. All right, now we're just gonna carefully pick our little thing up here, and we're gonna go over here, and we're gonna place it right about here.
Because we want to almost bake this, we're gonna go ahead and put a dome over this just to keep some of the heat in.
Goodbye, little buddy.
All right, let's go ahead and give this little guy a flip. Dome it back up. We've got one non-cover just to see how that does, and I've got it over the actual heat as opposed to the spot where we turned it off, so it's a little lower. I think I'm going to scoop this guy right over here. All right, let's flip this little guy over.
Ooh, those look really good.
That looks good. We'll pop this guy right over here. Stay nice and warm. Let that one go a little bit.
Have fun. Oh boy.
This one might open up. You try and make a biscuit in here. Here, here, here. We'll dome those up, see if we can bake them in there. It's kind of interesting. They're starting to bake in there. I'm going to flip them over. And we'll see if they cook all the way through or if they're going to be too
doughy.
Too doughy, yeah. I went ahead and moved the grate over here on this side. Let's check these biscuits, see how they're doing. I think it's pretty good. I think what I'm going to do is we're going to put these right over here and then dome them up so they can continue to bake, because I'm sure on the inside they're a little underdone still.
They look really good.
They do look really good. And then let's see how these guys are doing. Yeah. Ooh, that one got a little bit crispy. We'll scoot this one that way. Maybe just put a hole in it. All right, let's go ahead and cut this guy open, see how it looks. That looks pretty good. If you have some leftover canned biscuits, once you toast each side and you put them up on a rack like this, take a look at these guys. We think we have a good idea for these.
Yep. The red dot means we're cold, right?
Yep. Oh, just enough to soak up all that butter. And we're doing this with butter, not oil. Not oil for this. All right, so we also had to do this where we cut these in half, buttered them, and then toasted them on the griddle. Those are good.
Oh, really darn good.
I like your idea of grilled cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Or French toast. There can be a lot of stuff you can do out of that.
Oh, French toast would be really good too.
I say we're ready for a taste test.
I know, it looks really good.
It does.
Cheers.
Cheers. All right, give them a try.
Mm.
All right, the biscuit's okay. It's flaky, but it doesn't have that real biscuity flavor, like, because it's not thick. It needs a little something more. Like, I wonder if we should have put a little bit of butter on them inside. That might have been good.
That could have helped with the flakiness.
Yeah. The other thing I noticed is we have a good color on each side, but then the edges, not really, because we're not deep frying them or air frying them. But, you know, the fact that they can get done on the griddle in like 6 minutes is pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
A little trick we did realize after we made a couple of them was, once the crust is the right amount of brown that you like it, put it on top of a rack with a dome over it, over the burner, so it's up off the griddle but still getting nice and warm.
All right, guys, from our backyard breakfast table to yours, have a good one.
Safe and happy grilling, y'all. See you next week.
Also, his birthday was yesterday.
It was my birthday.
Everybody say happy birthday to Captain Gil. Bye, y'all.
Oh, boy.
I was going to let it crack over though. What? Biscuit dirt?
Well, no, I have more biscuits inside.
Holy
so we had a casualty. We
crap.
had these biscuits sitting out here in the sun for a little while we were prepping things. Whitney just peeled the little label deal and...
Look where the mark is, where it exploded in my hand.
I heard this loud pop.
We're going to open our unbusted can of biscuits.
Wait a minute.
Jesus Christ.
All right, you got to do another one real quick.
That freaking hurts.
All right, well, I don't want to hurt you. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to try...
Oh my God, we were recording?
Yeah, that's what I said.
I'm definitely not a baker.
You should do one where you don't scowl.
Okay.
It's really hard. It's good.
I might